Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Ivan, and this is just my little video of me unboxing my new Adams Polishes products that I just bought recently. And it's just a little quick video of what I got. Hopefully, you guys like it. And here I go. So, before I unbox it, quick story. I have a Honda Civic 2012 SI sedan, and my first car, so I tried to take care of it and wax it, wash it. I tried a bunch of products. I've tried, McGuire's, Turtle Wax, mainly those two, and chemical guys here and there, but not too much. And this is my first time using Adams Polishes, so I wanted to try it out. I live in Washington, so it's winter time right now. Weather's not pretty good, and maybe waiting for a sunny day and to give this a try. But I'm just gonna unbox what I got. I bought some Great Guards H2O gloss and Ceramic Boost 2.0. So I think for the Ceramic Boost 2.0, it's like the latest technology. I think there's a new one coming up. I'm not quite sure, but I want to unbox this and show everybody what I got. So I came across Detail Giant. How I met him, I just went through my Instagram and I added him, and he always posts a lot of things of adding his polishes on his story, and he had a good Black Friday sale, so I wanted to get that checked out. Pretty good dude. It was pretty quick. Like, again, I wasn't really in a hurry to get this stuff because it's winter time here in Washington, so I want to see what's going there, what's in the box. First thing you're gonna see is the Great Guard, so you put this in the bucket. Apparently this helps like trap the dirt. And this is the Ceramic Boost. So it's pretty cool. There you go. Let's see if you guys can see that. Pretty cool. Hopefully I get used to my car real soon. Then I got this. I think it's used to that's pretty cool. I think it's blocks against water, so it's like a water repellent. This is a side Great Guard. And that's it. I just use those two. Like I said, I got other waxes and stuff, so I don't need any. It came with a little spray bottle. Look it up with a little catalog. Yeah, he said he was adding some stickers, so yeah, he got some stickers in there. There you go, Detail Giant, hit him up. Pretty cool wood, and I'll post a video of the Ceramic Boost and the H2O gloss and see how that works. And for sure, I like this. I looked up on YouTube. It's a pretty good product, not too expensive either. So I'll be giving them a try, and hopefully I like them and buy more things from Detail Giant. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching, and for sure I'll be posting a new video on washing my car and using these new products and see if they're worth the money or if they're not. But for sure, I'll let you guys know. Thank you, and press the like button, subscribe. I'll be posting some more videos, so I'll keep in touch.